Hello everyone. So we are discussing previous year NEET questions of the chapter Plant Kingdom and the topic Bryophytes. So the question is, given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and other labeled as reason R. Assertion A, the first stage of gametophyte in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage, and reason R, protonema develops directly from spores produced in capsule. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from options given below. A, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is correct but R is not correct. D, A is not correct but R is correct. And this question was asked in the year 2023. तो बेटा ये एक assertion reason based question है जिसमें आपको assertion A बोल रहा है कि एक moss की life cycle में जो first gametophytic stage होती है वो protonema होती है और उसका reason दिया हुआ है कि protonema directly spore से develop होती है जो कि capsule में produce होते हैं. तो बेटा इसके लिए हम NCERT चेक कर लेते हैं. NCERT में लिखा हुआ है the first stage is the protonema stage. Starting से देख लेते हैं इसको. The predominant stage of the life cycle of a moss is the gametophyte which consists of two stages. The first stage is the protonema stage which develops directly from a spore. तो NCERT हमें बोल रही है एक moss की साइकिल में predominant stage होती है gametophytic stage जो कि दो होती हैं. पहली होती है protonema और protonema directly spore से develop करती है. तो हमारा assertion और reason दोनों ही correct है और reason assertion का correct explanation भी है. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम assertion देखें, assertion में बोल रहा है कि protonema first stage है. तो first stage क्यों है? क्योंकि वो directly spore से develop होती है. Clear? So the correct option will be option A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.